Now, again, to derive this, we could technically FOIL this and then do chain rule. But we're going to do a different method, which the book asks for, with natural logs. And here's how it works. You basically are going to natural log both sides. Now, once you natural log both sides, you can now implicitly derive. So when you implicitly derive, you derive this side. Well, ln y is going to be y prime over y. Is that okay? U prime over u, y prime over y. And this side, actually before I do this, I should have done something differently, but you see this? I'm going to derive that, but over here, can we write this over here as 1/2? Can I take the 1/2 out? And then won't it be ln x minus 1 plus ln x minus 2? You guys okay with that? This is the same as this right here, due to properties of logs. Are we good? So when I derive this right here, what do you get when you derive that? Well, the 1/2 stays, right? What's the derivative of ln x minus 1? It's just 1. Derivative of ln x is 1 over x minus 1. Plus, the derivative of this is 1 over x minus 2. And we're done. Now, we're kind of done, but we need y prime by itself. So if I multiply the y over, I now have 1/2. Now, if I multiply, this is going to be x minus 2 plus x minus 1 over x minus 1, x minus 2. I brought these together, and I multiplied this by x minus 1, x minus 1. This by x minus 2, x minus 2. And then I'm going to multiply by y, because I brought this y over. Okay, that's good so far, but watch this. Let's simplify this. X plus x is 2x. Negative 1, negative 2 and negative 1 is negative 3 over 2, x minus 1, x minus 2. But watch this. What does y equal? Isn't it that? Now, look right here. Do you see how y is this beginning piece? I just went and replaced y. Now, won't this cancel with this? Because watch, this is kind of... Do you understand when you have a square root, you can separate each one individually? When they're multiplied? It's like the square root of 40 is 8 times 5, square root of 8, square root of 5. So what's going to happen here is you're going to have the 2x minus 3, and then you're going to have x minus 1 to the 1/2 times x minus 2 to the 1/2 over 2 times x minus 1, x minus 2. So my final answer, you have a 2x minus 3. Do you see I have a half and a whole? These are first powers down here. And then you have the square root of x minus 1, x minus 2. That would be your answer.